Wealth isn't something you earn, it's something you allow. And if that sentence made you flinch, this video is going to change everything. Let's be real, most people don't struggle with money because they're lazy or unmotivated. They struggle because they're disconnected from the spiritual energy of wealth. If you're someone who knows you're meant for more, who's done the mindset work, the manifestation tools, the journaling, and still feels like the big money hasn't landed yet, this video is going to shift something powerful for you. Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel where we talk about all things manifesting abundance and creating the life you want. I'm Amar, your abundance manifestation coach, and if you're here, it means you're ready to start allowing miracles into your life. But before we dive in, don't forget to claim your free 30-minute manifesting coaching session with me. No obligations, just a chance to help you break through and get ready to step into your power and manifest the abundance you rightfully deserve. Click the link in the description below. So let's dive in. Wealth isn't just about strategies or affirmations. It's about energy. It's about alignment. And more than anything, it's about how connected you are to what money really is. Because money isn't just about numbers. It's about trust. It's about intention. It's about identity. So today I want to talk to you about how to build a spiritual connection to wealth that actually lasts and why that's the missing piece for most people. And let me be honest, right? There's a load of noise in the online space about manifesting money fast and just feel good and then it will come. But look, I believe in energy. I believe in alignment, but I also believe in truth. And here's the truth most people won't say out loud, right? If your relationship with money is built on fear, pressure, or proving yourself, it's not going to flow consistently. You might have bursts of success, you might manifest quick wins, but the sustainable soul-led kind of wealth, that only comes when your spirit is on board, right? And most people haven't been taught how to do that. They're trying to manifest money while secretly feeling unworthy. They're chasing financial goals that don't actually align with their values. They're using spiritual tools, but not from a place of truth. So let's get into what actually works then. These are the three shifts I've seen time and time again when it comes to building a healthy, empowered, spiritually aligned relationship with wealth. Number one, stop chasing and just start trusting. This is a fresh way to look at it, right? Imagine you're at a train station, you've bought a ticket, the train is coming and the destination is abundance. But instead of waiting calmly, you're pacing up and down the platform, you're checking your phone, you're asking the station manager if you're in the right place, you're panicking that the train won't show up. And because you're so anxious and mixed up, you miss the train when it does come. That's how most people treat money. They ask the universe for it, then they start doubting, pushing, or forcing, controlling, or second guessing. And in that energy of panic and control, they miss the very thing they've been asking for. So let's make this simple. Wealth arrives when you're calm enough to receive it, when your energy says, I'm ready, not I need this or else. So here's a new mantra. My abundance is on schedule and I trust the arrival. You don't have to control the universe. You just have to meet it where it's already showing up. So number two, connect your wealth to something even bigger. So let's talk about purpose for a minute. You're not just here to pay bills and tick off a to-do list. You're here to create something real, something that leaves a legacy. And money, that's the tool that lets you do that. And when you tie your financial goals to something deeper, your family, your mission, your desire to give or create, you shift the energy completely. Because now it's not about chasing money to feel validated. It's about allowing money to support something bigger than you. This is one of the biggest shifts I've seen in people who go from struggle to overflow. They stop saying, I just want more. And they start saying, I want to use money to create more impact, more peace, more freedom. And the universe listens to that. Money loves purpose. It flows faster when it knows where it's going. So if we do like a really quick exercise, so ask yourself, what does more money allow me to do that really matters to me? And get really honest, get emotional with it. That's where the energy lives. Number three, worthiness is everything. And this one is non-negotiable. You can have the perfect affirmations, the perfect vision board, even the perfect strategy. But if you don't believe deep down that you're worthy of wealth, you'll block it every single time. And here's what I want you to do now. You don't have to prove yourself to receive. You don't have to be spiritual enough or hardworking enough. You just have to be willing to believe that your value isn't up for debate, because you are already enough, already valuable, already capable of holding down big wealth without losing who you are. So let's stop waiting to feel ready. Let's stop outsourcing our permission to receive and say this out loud. I am worthy of wealth. I am open to receiving with ease. I allow it to flow now. Because every single time you say it, you rewrite the script, okay? So you don't need more hustle. You don't need another strategy you'll burn out trying to follow. You just need alignment. Alignment into your future self, because when you shift into that alignment, when your beliefs, your values and your energy match the wealth you want, everything begins to flow, okay? Your job isn't to chase, it's to become the version of you who doesn't need to chase. And that version of you is calm, is clear and ready. So just to summarize, stop chasing, start trusting. Your abundance is on time. It's coming. Connect your goals to something much bigger than yourself. That's where the fire lives. And know deep down that you're already worthy of the life you want. This is what building a spiritual connection to wealth really looks like. It's not all crystals and vision boards, although those are brilliant, but it's about energy, clarity and ownership. So if this video landed for you, comment below, my abundance is on time and I am ready to receive. Say it, claim it and anchor it. And if you want to take this deeper, don't forget to claim your free 30-minute session with me using the link in the description below, because this is just the beginning of your abundance story.